You're bound to fail if you don't know these things about NIFT. Hi everyone, this is Khushi Yadav and I'm currently pursuing my BDiS degree from NIFT Delhi in textile designing. And I used to mentor and guide students to prepare for NIFT over the past 1 year. So here I have joined Divergent classes as a collaborator to help you prepare for NIFT. Watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any of the points that could get you into NIFT. Hi everyone, welcome back. So, do you dream of studying at Best Design College of India? We'll be talking about everything that you need to know as a beginner. So, stay tuned. And also, do you want to crack NIFT 2026 but don't know where to begin from? You're on the right page. So, I will be sharing my personal experiences, the strategies, and all the things that you need to know as a student, which could be beneficial for you to prepare for your NIFT entrance and get into NIFT Delhi. How to prepare for the exam properly. Some of the tips that students don't talk about और काफी सारी चीजें होती हैं जो as a senior I will guide you. That would be really helpful for you because I have been in that phase. So first of all, we will be starting with the very basic. What is NIFT? So NIFT stands for National Institute of Fashion Technology, and we have across 18 campuses. Also, NIFT is not only about fashion; it's also about management. It's also about communication and technology. So for the student, there are various departments. It's not just only about the fashion designing. We in total have different courses that NIFT offers. First one is BDiS. BDiS stands for Bachelor's in Designing. We have MDiS. MDiS stands for Masters in Designing. Also, we have BF Tech, Bachelor's in Fashion Technology. We also have MFM, which is for Masters in Fashion Management. For you, whether you are very creative, you're very technical, this place is for you. You should join NIFT. So we will be talking about firstly about BDiS, Bachelor's in Designing. There are 3 parts in Bachelor's of Designing entrance exam. First one is CAT. CAT stands for Creative Ability Test. Second one is GAT, General Ability Test. And the third one is Situation Test. So when we talk about the CAT part, it's the major part that carries Bachelor's of Designing, because creative part mein you majorly have to sketch it out. You get questions related to designing, you get questions related to perspectives, drawings, and everything. You have to be working creatively on the CAT side. And for GAT contains all the general knowledge, English, basic maths, and all the parts, a good level of English. So this part is covered by GAT. And the situation test is about how you handle materials, and you have been given a certain amount of materials altogether, and you have to manage them and work in a way to create something very creative. So if हम बात करें एग्जाम पैटर्न के बारे में, so when you go to the exam center, जब आप CAT दोगे, CAT consists of 50% of the weightage in overall exam. GAT is for 30% weightage, and situation test is for 20% of weightage. CAT part of the exam is for 3 hours, जिसमें आपको creatively drawing के questions आते हैं, and you will be asked to draw the situation, the scenario, and give the ideas, your products, motives. Like there could be entirely whole topic for CAT. Also GAT की बात करें, GAT is done just after when you are done with your CAT. Same ही day होते हैं दोनों एग्जाम. काफी सारे स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं पता होता है. Also I have seen जब मैं एग्जाम देने गई थी my time, the students were confused. उनको पता ही नहीं था कि CAT के बाद GAT का एग्जाम भी है. They went home और उनका एक पार्ट मिस हो गया था. So don't do these mistakes. GAT के लिए after CAT you get 2 hours of break in between, and then you have to work on your GAT part. So GAT आपका कंप्यूटर बेस्ड होगा. आपकी नेगेटिव मार्किंग होती है. लोगों को ये भी नहीं पता होता है कि GAT is a negative marking exam. So don't attempt all the questions in GAT because आपकी वो negative marking में चला जाएगा. Don't do this mistake. बहुत सारे बच्चों ने किया था. So remember this. It's also gonna be a 3 hours exam. Situation test is done after CAT and GAT. जब आप CAT and GAT का exam दे दोगे, the same day you will get a date for situation test when you will qualify your first round. So you need to first qualify your first round and then you go for the situation test. Situation test is mainly for your rank boosting. The main scoring part is CAT. What you need to focus is CAT में आपको बहुत अच्छा score करना है. But if you are also good at GAT part, work upon it. You also need to work upon creative part. Also, if someone who's not so good at maths, जैसे कि मैं थी, maths में I won't say बुरी थी, minus में थी मैं. I'm like बुरी नहीं, fail. So it's like if you are weak at maths, doesn't matter. Study the basic ones, जो समझ में आ रहा है, practice. All it takes is practice. Don't worry. CAT part में अच्छा score करो. I knew it कि मेरा weak point कहाँ है. मेरा weak point was maths. My personal experience was कि I felt like कि maths नहीं आता, मुझे नहीं हो पाएगा. But what I did was कि मैंने अपने majorly CAT पे focus किया. Creative part में I scored really good. GAT part में I managed because I practiced. Don't leave any part. You have to study everything. Manage your time. Managing your time is very important. Time manage नहीं करोगे तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. अगर आप creative part में अच्छे हो, I have seen students, मेरे friends थे, they were really good at CAT parts. They were very creative. But the only thing they lacked was, इसी वजह से they couldn't qualify their exam, was they were very slow. उनका exam रह गया. Don't do this mistake. You have to practice your previous year questions very well. उनको बैठो, take a time slot and practice the sheets like you used to do for your board exams, right? You have to practice the previous year question, practice करना है, and then you sit for 3 hours and you give the exam. ऐसे ही करना है. So remember, आपको खुद को 2 hours देने हैं, 2.5 hours देने हैं है so that कि आप early से खत्म कर रहे हो. It's not about if NIFT is giving you 3 hours to complete the exam, give yourself 2 or 2.5 hours only. इससे आपकी speed increase होगी. You will understand and you will learn to be fast. Some of the important dates and process of NIFT registration. आपको कब register करना है? Usually what happens is कि NIFT के forms release हो जाते हैं in November or maybe by December. So you have to fill your form on time. Keep your documents ready. आपको सारी notification NIFT की official website पे मिल जाएगी, which is nift.ac.in. So उसको check करते रहना है. Apply for your application form. For general categories, around 3,000 rupees, general and OBC. For ST and ST, it's approximately 1,500 rupees. You just need to check it out on the website. Another point now, some tips and motivation from my side. जो मैं personal feel करती हूँ, मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ सारे juniors को, don't compare your work with anyone. Please don't. You are in design college. You have your own skill. You are different. You have been creative. Also, one more point. NIFT doesn't want copies. Copy कोई भी कर देगा. Photocopy कर सकते हो आप किसी भी चीज. They want originality. They want ideas. You are in design college. They want creativeness. So more differently you can think about things. This is what makes you different from others. कि आप क्या सोचते हो. So this is all about the NIFT exam. What they see in the exam is कि how creatively you think. What you think exactly. Start observing things. When you observe things around you, you start to get things and understand things better. Also, live sketch करना है जितना ज़्यादा. Understand, learn perspective, learn sketching, making motives, maybe scenarios. Be yourself. Only thing that you need to be is be yourself. I was a person जो बहुत ज़्यादा underconfident था about the exam कि what would I do ये वो. And when I did the exam, I felt like I don't know if they would be able to understand what I made. Because I was the only person who was able to understand कि मैंने क्या exactly बनाया है. We'll be discussing about my papers also. If you want to, just let me know in the comment section कि हम लोग के exam में क्या आया था and what I did. So keep in mind, you have to be very creative. Do your best. Also, you need any of the tips regarding to NIFT and all that, you can just comment. Also, एक और बात, if you're preparing for your exam, stay consistent. Preparation needs time. Give time sketching के लिए भी रोज time देना है. Give part to GAT. Study, learn, listen to news, listen to general knowledge. YouTube कर लो. You have lots of content also. You need to be aware around yourself. अपनी surroundings में notice करना है what's happening, what's going on. You need to be very aware, very knowledgeable, and focus on all these parts. And this is all it takes. My personal experience is I was really creative. I used to think differently. So think in that way. Also, देखो stress नहीं लेना है. Just an exam. मैं बता देती हूँ. I have also given NIFT पहले भी with my 12th also. मुझे बिल्कुल aware नहीं था. मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था NIFT के बारे में. It's like मुझे zero पता था. I just knew कि आपको form fill करना है, आप exam देने जाना है. मैं चली गई. I didn't know anything. कुछ भी नहीं. मैं देखकर आ गई थी. Time slot नहीं था. मेरे questions भी छूट गए थे. But I attempted whatever it was. ठीक है. See, I got somewhat like a 3,000 rank and all that thing. Obviously अगर मैंने prepare नहीं किया, but I somewhat managed to qualify my first round. And that was my motivation कि if I didn't prepare and I qualified my first round, whatever I did was I was open with my heart, very much creative. मैं stress नहीं लिया था. मैंने अपने first जब मैंने 12th के साथ exam दिया था, I'm truly telling you, मैं बिल्कुल stress के साथ नहीं गई थी. ठीक है. That's the first point you need to keep in mind. आपको stress नहीं लेना है. It's just a preparation phase. Enjoy करना है and it's not a big deal. College में आओगे तो तुम्हें यहाँ पे भी आके काम ही करना है. Don't take pressure or anything. It's a new journey. Exam होता है नहीं होता है. Just give your best. You will still get the opportunity क्योंकि मैंने दोबारा से drop लिया था and I prepared and I got into NIFT Delhi. So remember that. So demotivate बिल्कुल नहीं होना है. Give your best and you will do great. So I hope you like the video and आपको कोई भी doubts है further, you want to connect with me, you can DM me. I'm there to help you all and that's it. Thank you.